Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss! Nagka-crave ka rin ba sa puto na ito? Yung napakasikat na puto ng Calasiao na tinagurian nilang White Gold of Pangasinan? In this episode, I'll be sharing with you a simple and easy way kung paano gawin ang Puto Calasiao. So tara, umpisahan na natin. And here are the ingredients. 500 grams of rice flour, 3 cups of plain water, 1 package or 7 grams instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon fine salt, 1 teaspoon and a half baking powder. And in this part naman, we will make roux or yung combination ng flour and water, but we'll be using rice flour. Half cup of rice flour. And then, so mamaya, kakailanganin natin ang rice flour na to at saka yung water sa paggawa natin ng roux. And 1 and a half granulated sugar, 1 and a half cup. And I have here at least 1/4 cup ng water. And then kasi ibubloom natin ang ating yeast to make sure na okay siya para hindi naman sayang yung ating mga ingredients kung siya ay may problema. And we'll try to bloom it or at least 5 minutes. So we'll mix yung rice flour. Okay. And then yung sugar. Yung ating baking powder. Fine salt, and mix. And 3 cups of cold water, plain water lang. Kailangan lang let's dissolve this completely. Ma-dissolve natin maigi. Okay, just mix. Haluin lang maigi. Hindi natin kailangan ng mga special equipment dito. Just spatula will do or itong napakasimpleng wire whisk. Okay, and then iset aside na natin. Sa ating saucepan naman, we'll mix yung ating half cup rice flour and now we'll cook itong ating rice flour mixture and water. Mabago na ang kanyang consistency. And again, yung ating wire whisk lang ang kailangan natin dito. Nothing else. Hintayin natin. So, natitikin na siya. Like this. Okay. This will do na. Okay na to. So, ito yung roux na ginawa natin kanina. Yan. Ito lang yung kanyang consistency. Paste-like lang siya. Parang spread, no? Or let's say, mayonnaise consistency. Ikulang natin ng konti before adding sa ating first mixture ng flour natin. So, here's our first mixture ng ating rice flour kanina. Iko-combine natin dito yung roux na ginawa natin. Roux yung rice flour and water na ginawa natin. So, we'll just combine. Okay. Mix this again para well combined sila. Well incorporated ang ating mga ingredients, ang ating mixture. So, here is our mixture. Okay. And ganito ang consistency niya. Look at that. After i-combine natin ang dalawang mixtures kanina. Okay. And lastly, yung tinest nating i-mix lang natin maigi and i-rest natin ito for at least an hour. Para magkaroon ito ng fermented flavor and magiging ang texture niya is makunat at maalsa. Para makuha natin ng konti, yung ginagawa nila dun sa Calasiao na overnight fermentation na talagang ang ganda ng texture ng puto, maalsa, makunat. For the meantime, i-prepare natin ang ating mga cute na mga cups. So, ito na ang ating mga tiny molder. I-grease naman natin siya ngayon. I'm just using vegetable oil. You could... Okay. Be sure na lagyan natin para... Then, we will prepare our steamer. Ayan. Look at that. You could see the bubbles. Huh? Alsadong-alsado na siya. So that means, ang ganda ng ating fermentation kahit na 1 oras lang siya. At this point, i-cover natin ang isang clean cloth para maiwasan natin ang drippings ng water mamaya. And voila! This is our Puto Calasiao. At sa easy at simpleng recipe nito, you can have it anytime, anywhere. So, yun ang sagot sa mga cravings natin. And they are so jiggly. Look at that. And look at this. Kahit na very short lang ang ating preparation, still, na-achieve natin yung kanyang pagiging soft and stretchy. Yung makunat na texture ng Puto Calasiao. And hindi na natin kailangang pumunta ng Pangasinan to satisfy our cravings. Sa Puto Calasiao, ang white gold ng Pangasinan. So if you want more simple and home-style cooking, please don't forget to subscribe, and like and share. And thanks for watching. Take care. Stay well. God bless. Bye.